everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am diving into the world of kitchen design, especially focusing on blue tiles for your backsplash. Whether you are renovating or just looking for some inspiration, I have got you covered with these amazing ideas. First up, I have the classic subway tile design. These glossy blue tiles add a touch of elegance and modernity to any kitchen. They are versatile, easy to clean, and create a timeless look that never goes out of style. Next, let's explore the charm of mosaic tiles. These intricate patterns and shades of blue creates a mesmerizing focal point in your kitchen. Whether you option for a subtle blend or a bold contrast, mosaic tiles can transform your space into a work of art. For those dreaming of a herringbone style are the way to go. The soft, pale blue hues evoke a sense of serenity and relaxation, perfect for calming kitchen ambience. If you are a fan of geometric pattern and a modern aesthetic, geometric tiles are your best bet. The interplay of different shades of blue in geometric shapes add depth and visual interest to your backsplash. Lastly, let's not forget the charm of Moroccan tiles. These intricately designed tiles bring a touch of exoticism and bohemian flair to your kitchen with their vibrant blues and unique pattern. They are sure to make a statement. And there you have it, folks. 5 stunning blue tiles backsplash design to elevate your kitchen. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.